Welcome back, champions. This is day 1 practice playlist for bank exams 2025. In this video, we are going to solve 10 mixed arithmetic questions. Handpicked to boost your calculation speed and concept clarity. Let's see the questions without wasting time. First question. A man buys an article and sells it at a profit of 25%. If he had bought it at 25% less and sold it for 70 less, he would have gained 20%. What is the cost price? Here first I am going to solve it and then explain. Cost price 100 and profit 25% is bought at 25% less means 75 and 70 less 20% is profit means 10, 2 times 15 profit means 90. So 70 less means the difference between these two is which is 10 plus 25. 35 parts value is 70. Question asked is cost price 100 into 20, 100 into 2, which will be 200. So cost price will be 200. So here we got the answer within seconds. Now I am going to explain you. Let's take CP as 100 and it is says that got a profit of 25%. 25% of 100 will be 25. So selling price is 125. If he bought at 25% less means 25% of this one is 25. 25 less means 75. If now the cost price is 75 and sells it 70 less from previous one, it is in the values of x 70 rupees less, he would have gained 90%. 90% 20% on this one, 20% of this one is nothing but a 15. So 15 plus to this one, which will be 90, and it is said that 70 less is nothing but the difference between these two. The difference between these two is nothing but 35 parts. 35 parts value is given as 70. So 35 two times is one part. What we need to find is a cost price. So cost price is 100 parts. 100 parts value will be 200. So this is our answer. Let's see second question. The ratio of the present ages of A is to B is 7 is to 4. After 2 years, their ages will be in the ratio of 5 is to 3. What will be the ratio of age after 5 years to B's age now? Let's see. What is given here is A and B are in the ratio of 7 is to 4. After 2 years, their age becomes so after 2 years, their age becomes in the ratio of 5 is to 3. So what we do here is we see the difference between these two is 2 parts, and here we see difference between these two is 3 parts. So these are not equal, so we are making them equal by multiplying oppositely. 5 3 times 15 here, 5 3 times 15, 3 times 9, 2 7 times 14, and 2 4 times 8. So these are the ratios. Here the difference between these two is 1 part, and here also the difference between these two is 1 part. 1 part value is nothing but 2 years. Now what we need to find is what will be the ratio of age after 5 years and B present age. Okay, first we have here 1 part value is 2 years, means 14 parts value, which is 28, and 8 2 times, which is 16. So these are the present ages of A and B. So here after 5 years means 28 plus 5, which will be 33 is to present age of B, which is 16. So this is the answer we have. So we got the ratio of 33 is to 16, which is option C. First question option is nothing but option D. So this is the answer. Let's see the third question. The average weight of boys in a class is 52. So boys into 52 is the total weight of boys, while the weight of girls is 46 kgs. So total girls into 46 is the total weight of girls. The average weight of a whole class is given as 48 kgs. So seeing that the total weight of all boys and girls together average is nothing but into 48. So this is a statement that is given in the question. Now what we need to find is find the ratio of the number of boys to that of girls. From solving this we can able to find that 52 boys plus 46 girls equals to 48 boys and 48 girls. Here we have boys, this comes this side with the minus, so we have 4 girls, so 4 boys equals to, this goes there with minus 2 girls, 2 times b by g equals to 1 by 2. So the ratio we got is 1:2. So answer will be option B is our answer. Next, fourth question. A starts a business with an investment of 12,000. Okay. After 2 months, B joins with 3/4 of the amount of A. 3/4 of amount of A means B comes with 4,000 times. Sorry, this is 3,000 times. So total investment of B is 9,000. And A withdraws 3,000. So for 2 months after 3,000 withdraws means 9,000 left. After 2 more months, C joins with a investment of 6,000 and again A withdraws 2,000. So after 2 months, again A withdrawing 2,000 means left with only 7,000 and C joins with an investment of 6,000. So the next statement is given that after a year. So for year means here we have completed 4 months, means left with only 8 months. Next, here this person came after 2 months, so left with only 10 months. C came after 4 months, so left with only 8 months. Now it says that if C receives 1872 as his share, so C got 1872 rupees. Now what we need to find is find the total profit. First we are going to find the profit ratio. Here 3 zeros and 3 zeros, from all the 3 are cancels. Now what we left here is for 2 times 24 and 9 2 times 18. 24 plus 18 plus 7 8 times 56. 80 and 98. So here we got 98 for A. Here we have 9 10 times 90 and 8 6 times 48. So from this we can able to get the ratio of 249 times 245 times 224 times. So we got a ratio of 49 is to 45 is to 24. Here 1872 is nothing but 24 parts value. 24 parts value is 1872. Now what we need to find is the total profit. Total profit is sum of all these parts. 9 plus 9, which will be 18, and here 8 plus 2 10 11 118. So we need to find the value of 118 parts value. So 12 2 times 12, 1 time 12, and 60 means 5 times and 6 times 2 59 times. Now what we have is 156 into 59. Instead of 59 we write a 60 minus 1. Sorry for the disturbance. Here we get 66 times 36 and 6 15 times will be 90 and 3 will be 93. So totally we get 9360 minus 156. So we get 4 5 minus 5 0, 3 minus 1 which will be 2, and 9 9204 is our answer. So answer we get is option B. Next we are going to see question number 5. Let's make some separate space. Let's solve the question number 5 this side. Here we have a bag contains 2 red balls, 4 yellow balls, 6 pink balls. If one ball is drawn at a random from the bag, what is the probability that it either pink or red? Says that pink or red. If we see R, it means plus. Pink, we have 6 pink, we need to take 1, so the value will be from 6 C1 we get only 6 divided by total number of balls, which will be 10 plus 2, 12 balls. Here for R has 2 balls. From 2 it may be either one of it, so we have 2 possibilities. 2 divided by total number of balls, which is 12. So what we get here is 8 divided by 12 for 2 times and for 3 times. So answer will be 2/3. So our answer will be option B. Now we are going to see question number 6. A took a certain sum of loan from B. Now question number 6. A took a certain sum as a loan from bank and at a rate of 6% simple interest per annum. A lent the same amount to B at 10% simple interest per annum if at the end of 4 years A earned 640 rupees from the total deal. What is the original sum? So A took at 6% per annum for 4 years, means 6 4 times 24%, and lent it to B at 10% for 4 years, means 40%. He made a profit of 640. This profit is nothing but the difference between these two, which is 16%. So 16% value is 640. Then we need to find the total 100% value, which is nothing but a principal or sum. So 100% value will be 1640 times. So 100% value will be 100 into 40, which will be 4000. So this is our answer. So answer will be option B. Now we are going to see question number 7. Question says that without any stoppages, a person travels a certain distance at an average speed of 60 km per hour, and with stoppages he covers the same distance at an average speed of 40 km per hour. How many minutes per hour does he stop? This question is related to including stoppages and excluding stoppages. For this type of question, so first we note the speeds. Here speeds given as 60 km per hour and 40 km per hour. So what we do is first we do the difference between these two, which is 20, divided by the highest value, which is 60, into time, which is 60 minutes. So we have totally converted this into minutes. So this is the answer. 60 and 60 cancels, we left with 20 minutes. So answer will be 20 minutes. So option will be option D is the answer for 7th question. Let's see 8th question. A vessel contains a mixture of 160 liters of mixture of milk and water in the ratio of 11:3. Now 34 liters of mixture was taken out. So minus 34, we have 6. This will be 5 minus 3 to 126. So now at present we have only 126 liters. So this 34 is taken out and replaced it with water. Sorry, 4 liters of water. So after taking 34, we have left with 126 here. 126 plus 4, which will be 130. Totally 130 is the total quantity of here. Question asked is what is the approximate percentage of water in the resultant mixture? So first we need to find the value of total 3x plus 4. Let's assume this as x plus x. This will be 14x plus 4 equals to 130. So 14x equals to 126. So 14, this is 14 9 times. 14 9 times means 3 4 times. 3 9 times, which will be 27. 27 plus 4, which will be 31 liters of water at present. Question asked is approximately what percentage of resultant water. So total mixture is 130. So percentage means water divided by total, which is 130 into 100. 0 0 cancel, 3 10 divided by 13, 13 2 times, 26 and 4 times. So approximately we get a 24% as our answer. So our answer will be option A. Next we are going to see question number
9. Let's see this here.
A can complete a given task in 27 days. B is thrice efficient as A. So efficiency is in the ratio of 3:1. So the days ratio will be reciprocal, 1:3. Here A ratio is A days is given as 27. So A has three parts. Three parts value is 27 means 3 9 times. So the B can complete the whole work in 9 days. So we got the number of days for B. Now the question asked is A and B started the work, and here the statement says that A started the work and was joined by B after a few days. If the whole work was completed in 12 days, then after how many days from the time A started working did B join A? So here we have ratios. So here we have the efficiencies is 1:3. A started the work and it says that total work is completed in 12 days. A starting and till the end he will be doing work for 12 days. His efficiency will be 12 into 1, 12 units is completed. So remaining parts is 5 and 1, 15 units. This 15 units only completed by B. So 15 divided by 3, which will be 5. So 5 days only the B participated in the work. Total 12 days is taken to complete the work, and B worked only for 5 days means he came after 7 days. So this is our answer. So our answer will be option B, 7 days. Next we are going to see question number 10. Here we have a boat can travel 8.4 kilometers upstream in 28 minutes and 9.2 kilometers downstream in 23 minutes. Find how much time it will take to travel 48 kilometers per hour downstream and the same distance upstream. So here we have given that 84 by 10 kilometers upstream means m minus s, 28 minutes. This is a total distance. Speed equals to distance by time. So time is in denominator, which is 28, but these are in minutes. Let's convert them into hours. They are into 60. So this will be 6 means like this, 14 2 times and 14 6 times, 2 3 times. So we have m minus s value, which is 60 times 18. Next statement is given that 9.2 means 92 divided by 10 in 23 minutes means into here like this. This is downstream. 10 6 times, this will be 23 4 times. 4 6 times is 24. So m plus value we get is 24. Now we can able to find the values of m individual and s individually. M value will be sum of these two divided by 2, which will be, this will be 42 divided by 2, 21, and s value will be here 24 and it is 21 means s value is 3. Now the question asked is find how much time it will took to travel 48 kilometers downstream and 48 kilometers upstream. Downstream means sum of these two, which will be 24. Upstream means 18. Difference between these two, which will be 18. So we need to find the solution for this one. Here we have 24 2 times. This will be 2 9 times, 2 24 times. 9 2 times 18, 18 plus 24, which will be 42 divided by 9. So we get 9 4 times 36, and left with 6 divided by 9, and into 60 means 9 3 2 times, 3 3 times, 3 20 times. 22 times will be 40. So 4 hours 40 minutes is our answer. 4 hours 40 minutes. So our option will be option C is the answer for the 10th question. So that's all for today. And these were your 10 mixed arithmetic questions for day 1. Let us know in the comments how many you got right without seeing my explanation. Please do comment it for sure. Next, check today others practice videos which are score boosters of quant, reasoning boosters, 2 data interpretations, PO and clerk level reasoning puzzles. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. See you in the next one. Keep practicing and keep your growing. Success will follow you. Thanks for watching.